So this is my first laptop from HP. I bought it in 2017 using my scholarship while I was pursuing my graduation. It is powered by an AMD E2 7110 APU with a maximum clock speed of 1.8 GHz and comes with integrated Radeon R2 graphics. It also has 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, a 240 GB Kingston SATA SSD, and an SVA display panel with a resolution of 1366 by 768. Thankfully, it supports TPM 2.0, and it can still run the latest release of Windows 11 25H2 flawlessly. As everyone says, HP means hinge problem, and guess what? They are absolutely right. I had to fix the detached screw base mounts at home using M-Seal, and they are still perfectly fine. I also replaced the thermal paste myself. Additionally, I cleaned the dust from the fan blades and greased the cooling fan's axle by removing it from the motherboard and opening it up. Surprisingly, all the videos you see on this YouTube channel, as well as the videos posted on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels, were recorded using this laptop. However, video editing was not smooth. You can edit videos using older versions of video editing software, but the preview and rendering are very slow due to the lack of a dedicated GPU. So I had to edit all my videos on my mobile phone using the KineMaster app. After almost 9 years, I was hoping to get a new laptop, but suddenly laptop prices skyrocketed due to this man. Anyway, after doing a lot of research to find the good value for money option, I chose a custom-built Lenovo Legion 5i with an i7-14700HX, NVIDIA RTX 5060, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. That was on January 4th, 2026. Unfortunately, the delivery was delayed by 2 months with no confirmed delivery date. A month after placing my order, I contacted Lenovo customer care to check the status of my order, and they told me that Lenovo was facing issues sourcing some parts, especially the CPU. They could not provide an estimated delivery time, so I requested them to cancel my order. At first, they refused because it was a custom-built laptop, but fortunately, the cancellation was eventually successful. I ordered the same laptop again, but this time I chose the Core Ultra 7 255HX, a new 3nm chip from Intel released in 2025. Finally, I received the Lenovo Legion 5 with the Core Ultra processor at my residence on 23rd February 2026, and I'm happy to say it arrived without any physical damage. I was quite busy after receiving it because I upgraded Windows 11 Home single language to Windows 11 Pro. Then I performed a clean installation of Windows 11 Pro using my own bootable USB drive, and after that I had to set everything up from the beginning. Windows 11 Pro offers many additional features that you can benefit from. If you want to know more, just ask ChatGPT or use Google. If you want to know how I permanently upgraded from Windows 11 Home single language to Windows 11 Pro, let me know in the comment section below. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions related to this laptop, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.